direction it's going to move. From the rest to the ends, this is where you create your texture. Curly, wavy, right? That kind of thing, okay? You see how it's flat here, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put this away, it'll be easier for you to look at, okay? All right. See that, right? I want to go. That'll be this head, okay? It's all good to practice on both hands. Switch, comb, brushes, both hands. All right. Do slow heat, low wind, high heat. In this case, because it's already dry, okay? I want to go like this. Okay, you see the root? I'm gonna go like this. You see the root?
All right.
On a real person, I go
1,
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Like that. But this is only a dummy. So I'm just gonna go like this, okay? Get it cool. Talk to a client, whatever, right? Relax. You know? See? Okay. You watch this now. See? I'll go like this. And I move it over here. You see how it sits now? The real part, I go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Give me a hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Give me a hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's what the client feels like.
Yeah.
Okay? Now give me a hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's what the client feels their hand. So 1, 2, 3 like that, right? It'll work, okay? We're gonna let it cool. Let it cool. Okay? You see now how the shape here turns to very straight, right? Up here a little bit. I can go right here. Let it cool. A little bit like this, right? I'm gonna go like this. So this is a technique you can use to help fix things, okay? Also a technique that will also help you to start from get-go to design, okay? That's the technique you use. You can use a comb, you can use your finger. I'm gonna use my finger now. Okay, you see how this here like this? I can just use my finger. This is only you count 1, 2, 3 with your finger because your finger will get hot. Your finger gets hot, you know the contact will be hot, right?
How many times you have to repeat it?
Well, feel the hair. Feel the hair. How hot it is. Feel, okay, I'm going to keep the hair. Feel the hair. Very quickly. Feel the hair.
Whoa.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Feel the hair. And let's feel the hair. See how hot it is?
So it's all about experience.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is the process of this purpose is to help you understand about how to control the heat. So this way when you're doing roller set or perming or in this case barrel curl, so next, when you do it again, now you have some experience, make sure you're mindful how the root is sitting. So when you do your head, the root sits more properly like this, right? It'll be less to fix. Okay? Does that help?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great.
There you go.
Thank you so much.